Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to show you how you can install or configure a printer over a network. This is the steps for downloading HP LaserJet Pro. You have to write its name into Google search. Then you can find or click on the link that it has its name or its driver. You see, those are the technical specifications. Okay. And the compatible operating systems. You see? All those are the technical specification of the printer we are going to drive its driver. Okay. You are going to write its names here. Type HP LaserJet Pro M402 402. Here you have to choose one. Then you can download its software. Those are the basic driver, but there is no installer. Okay. Driver production. Driver product, then click on download, then save the software. Then after to be downloaded, you see it is already downloaded. After to download, you have to find your software into download. First of all, we are going to add our switch. We are going to create a network. We are going to use this printer and this computer by using network cables. Let us connect this switch on power cable on the power source. Then here we have a network cable. Here we have a network cable connected to this switch. It is this one. It is getting a network from existing network. So we are going to connect the network. We are going to connect this network to this port. Okay? Or we are going to what we did is to supply internet into this switch. Okay? Then the next, we are going to connect our computer to this switch. Okay, you see here we have wireless. I'm going to disconnect this wireless. Okay, then connect network cable. It is that fine. Okay, it is already getting internet from this switch. The next step, we are going to connect this printer to this switch in order to be connected to network. We are going to use this cable. Let us connect it here. Then we are going to connect this network cable to network port of printer. Okay. Then the next step we are going to do is to install our software downloaded. Okay. Let us go to this computer to find where the software is located. Okay. Open software downloaded. It is extracting. Here it is asking if we need to launch this HP installer. Click yes. Okay, it is installing. Here what you see, all the requirements to install this printer to this network. You have to connect, or you have to make sure that your printer is already connected to network. Then the computer we are going to use, you have to make sure that it is connected to the same network on the printer. Okay. Then into this software, you see that the software selection, here we have HP LaserJet Pro M402. This is HP device experience. Then you have to choose or to click next. Then accept this installation agreement. Then click next. Okay. Here you have to wait. Then click next. Remember, we are trying to install this printer over network or through network, not directly connected to USB or using by USB. Here we are going to choose. We are going to choose connect through network. Remember, our printer is connected to network. Then here is asking how the address will be obtained through this printer. Here you can search using an IP address if you have static IP address on your printer. Here we are using DHCP. It means our network is designed for DHCP. We are going to use DHCP or automatically find my product on network. Suppose that we don't know the address of this printer. Okay? Let me show you on control panel. You see, when you will connect this printer, automatically it got the address. The address. Then here to this computer, we are going to detect this product. The product here we are saying is printer on network. Then click next. It is searching our product. You see, searching the local network for available product. Remember, our computer is connected to the switch at the same as printer. Okay, you see here the printer is already detected. You remember, in the control panel of the printer we have 10.7.32.190, and this is the MAC address of the printer. Then click next. It is installing the software. At the end of this session, you will be able to configure your own printer over network. Here it is showing the additional option of this product or of this printer, where the printer is setting as default printer, and when we click on finish, it will print the test page. Let us check. Click on finish. You see, it is going to print test page. Okay, you see, this is the test page we got. Then what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you the printer installed into my laptop by printing any document. Let us find Microsoft Office Word. Okay, let me print this. You see, here we have printer, which is default HP LaserJet Pro M402. Here we are going to print one page, only one page here, then print the document. You see, it is printing our document by using network. Let us check the document. You see, it is already printed. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not yet, make subscribe, click on subscribe, and like, share and comment. Thank you for watching this video.